In this video, I will walk you through the simple process of adding a professional shadow to any image using Adobe Express. This is one of the best ways to make your graphics pop and give your designs a sense of depth that draws the eye. To get started, you need to open your project and select the specific image layer on your canvas that you want to enhance. Once you click on the image, take a look at the Properties menu located on the left side of your screen. You will see several options here, but you want to switch over to the Effects tab. As you scroll down through the available effects, you will find a toggle for the shadow option. Go ahead and turn that on to see an immediate change. By default, Adobe Express offers several style presets. You might choose a preset like Classic for a standard, dependable drop shadow, or you can click View All to see more creative variations. However, the real magic happens when you click the Custom Settings icon, which looks like tiny sliders inside the Shadow tab. This allows you to tweak every detail to match your brand. You can click the color block to change the shade of the shadow from a traditional black to something more subtle or vibrant. Next, you can adjust the angle and distance controls to shift exactly where the shadow lands, simulating a specific light source. Finally, use the blur slider to soften or sharpen the edges of the shadow. A high blur creates a soft, glowing feel, while a lower blur gives a more crisp, cut-out appearance. By playing with these settings, you can transform a flat image into a dynamic element of your design. It is a quick adjustment that makes a massive difference in the overall quality of your visual content. I hope you found this short tutorial helpful for your next creative project. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing the amazing designs you create with these new skills. Happy designing!